Welcome. Today I'm going to make some stuffed mushrooms. What you need for this recipe is some big mushrooms, some black pepper, mozzarella, basil, sun-dried tomatoes, and cheese. First, remove the stems from the mushrooms. Make the dried tomato into small pieces, as small as you can make it. Do the same with the mozzarella and the basil. Now stuff the mushrooms with your ingredients. It is alright if not everything fits. Place the mushrooms in an oven dish. Add any leftover materials around it. Cover it with some black pepper, to taste, of course, and finish it with some grated cheese. When you're satisfied with your creation, place the mushrooms in the oven at a low temperature until they are done. When your mushrooms are done, get them out of the oven and let them cool for a bit. And there you have it. Stuffed mushrooms. Stuffed with all kinds of good stuff. Enjoy.